Recording in progress.
Yes, so good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the fundamentals of computer, right? So, computer basically, computer is an electronic device which is used to take input from the user, and with the help of input devices and output devices, it gives input output accordingly. And with the help of processing devices like CPU, it processes the data, right? So, computer basically divided into two categories. First is data handling, and second is based on size. So, on the base of data handling, it can be further divided into two types: digital computer and analog computer, right? Now, on the basis of size, it can be divided into four types: supercomputer, mini computer, mini frame computer, and microcomputer, right? So, now we are moving on next slide: digital computer. Digital computer is a system that processes and represents data using binary form or binary numbers, right? What is binary form? Binary form means 0 or 1. It represents data is in the form of 0 and 1. Simple characteristics of digital computer are binary representation, as we all know, high precision and accuracy, storage and memory, and speed, right? So if we see the image, if we see the image of digital computer on Google, it looks like that, right? It is used in our labs, school labs, right? It have keyboard, input devices and output devices along with desktop and all, right? So now we are moving on next slide. Analog computer. Analog computer works with continuous signal such as voltage, current or frequency. So characteristics of analog computer is continuous variable. Why it is called continuous variable? Because it works on continuous signal. Simple. Simplicity, real-time processing, and speed. If we see the image of analog computer or the uses of analog computer on Google, right? It looks like that, right? So analog computer is a type of computer that uses the continuous variation aspect of physical phenomena such as electrical, mechanical, hydraulic quantities, right? So analog computer looks like that. So we are moving on next slide. Supercomputer, they are very large in size. They are very large in size, right? They are very expensive also because they are only used by scientists for research work. That is why it is very expensive. They can perform billions of tasks in per second. If we look at image of supercomputer on Google, it looks like that. General purpose computer that function at highest operational rate or peak performance for computer, right? If we see the application of supercomputer include testing mathematical models for complex physical phenomena, design such as climate and weather. These are the simple applications of supercomputer, right? Next, computer is mini frame computer. They are used by large organization, right? They are very expensive. They are capable of running different operating systems also, right? Mini frame computer, mini frame computer, mini frame computer, smaller, less expensive, less powerful than a mainframe or supercomputer, but more expensive and more powerful than personal computer. It is not powerful than mainframe or supercomputer, but more expensive and more powerful than personal computer. And about personal computer, we will read in our next slide. right? It looks like that. See the image of mini computer. It is used in our day-to-day life, personal computer, also called laptop, right? Types of mini computer are these: desktop computer, laptop, netbook, hybrid tablet, smartphone, right? Clear? Now, moving on the next slide, mini computer. They are used by small business. They have slow processor, smaller in size, and can be utilized by several users, right? Several users. So, mini computer looks like that. Now, next, microcomputer. Microcomputer are also known as personal computer. They are for personal usage. They are less expensive and they do not support multiple user functionality. But mini computer used by several users. They do not support multiple functionalities. This is the basic difference between microcomputer and mini computer as well, right? They are also known as personal computer, PCs. Mini computer are also known as personal computer, and but they can be utilized by several users. And about microcomputer, they are only used, they are only for personal usage, right? They are less expensive also. Let's have a look on microcomputer. So microcomputer looks like that. Microcomputer. Sure. Okay.